Okay, so this is another great gun by Goner and by Parris Manufacturing. Parris Manufacturing gets this gun in bulk from Goner, and then they put them on a beautiful card. Now you can get this with the card or without. It's called the Western Adventure Duck Rifle. This is a 12 shot, and this gun is just a beautiful gun. I mean, well made. It you have a plastic butt, you have metal. This is all metal right here, all metal. Your mechanism is all metal. But here's what's really cool is the shooting mechanism is a double action or double lever kind of. Look at that. All metal, solid metal. Okay. Now there's a little hole right here for oiling. And that's always important when you get your gun is you want to oil it. And this is just a beautifully made gun, okay? Just craftsman. It's made in Spain, made in Espanol, right here, made in Espanol. It's not made in China. They're made in Spain. High quality. Spaniards are putting these things together. This is a 12 shot. Look at that, Brian, break it. Well, that's your thing, it can come out. I'm telling you, if you want to get your kid a great gun that has lots of fun, this is it. We've got 6 different styles like this, but this is the duck rifle. We have the duck, we have the deer rifle, we have the Tommy gun, but these are all Goner guns. And that's what I love about Goner and Parris Manufacturing. They use the same guns, but Parris does their own packaging, okay? And they call it a different gun. They buy like thousands of these in Spain. Just a beautiful gun. And this is available at ProTinkerToys.com. This is item number 4732. 4732. Item 4732. It's the Western Adventure. No, I mean Western Adventure. And this is available at ProTinkerToys.com because we are the kings of toy guns. Nobody else wants to carry toy guns. And I say, fine. If you don't want to carry toy guns, I'll carry toy guns. And I'll sell so many of them. Oh, I love this. Man, that's just beautiful. Oh, yeah. ProTinkerToys, out.